Well, more snow today. Yesterday we got about 8 inches. It melted down a bit today when the sun was going. But as you can see again now, we're getting more. So hopefully by tomorrow we don't have too much. We might end up with a foot, maybe 2. I hope not 2. God, I hope not 2. Anyway, the bikes are in the garage over there. A little bit of a view across the field. It's looking like winter wonderland. And there's the big beast. Anyway, plow truck over there. Gonna have to get that going tomorrow by the look of it. But the bikes are definitely put away. Sad, 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 sad. Hate to see this stuff coming. It's inevitable. We actually held off pretty good because this is the 23rd of November. Normally we got this like the first week of November. So we can't really complain. Anyway, for you guys that don't get snow or this much snow, not that we have a lot yet, but I mean you can see it's coming. This is what it looks like. Sorry for the camera, a little bit wavy. I'm kind of shaking a bit. A little bit chilly out here. Anyway, that's that, gentlemen. Should have worn my chaps, so it's getting a little bit cool through the jeans. Definitely getting cool in the shade. Still unbelievable though for December 5th. Oh, let's see how the GoPro's recording the audio since I taped up the bike. Staring at me for. I could guess why. Too many guys out on bikes today.